And it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I do not know how long my camera will allow me to continue recording. It was pretty hot last time I checked, and so if I lose you, I apologize, but I thought since I kept working on the artwork that I ought to at least include you in some of the mad skewering, where I just stuck my skewer in and picked up some paint and moved it, and I wasn't having a bad time of it, so I thought I would do some more of that. I got plenty of paint, and I use GAC 800 in my mix so that I don't have to worry about it cracking. The cracking is prevented by the GAC 800 by Golden, and I wanted to add a few more things in here, hoping that they would be waggleable. And then I thought I would be pretty much done, because it doesn't look like I should add much more. But that never stopped me before, so why would it stop me now? Anyway, so here we are. And I had one more side to cover, and pretty much when you're gone I'll finish that. And in the meantime, just sticking that skewer in, pulling it up and back, creates some really cool patterns that I like a lot. I said I would use some chain, but I think basically all that's left at this point, I used some chain, is to torch some more. And I tried to use as many techniques as I could, and I still couldn't use them all because there's lots. So if you like what I do and you want to see more of it, there is a playlist always in the last 20 seconds on the end screens of every video. And this is pretty wild, and I'm pretty happy with it actually. There's a lot going on. I wonder if that is a thing that does not belong. I cannot tell. It seems to be kind of lumpy, whatever it is. Better to not light up the painting. Alright, so I also have a pan of paint left over, and I guess I'll be using it in a minute. I really want to put something here. I really want something that will come out of a bottle anywhere. There we go. Now would be good. Alright, so I'm just going to give that a quick pull because I wanted something up there, and now I got it. And I think that'll even stay. So we torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint from shaking it, and the cells are released because of the decor pouring medium with Floetrol mixture that I use in my recipe that's under the video in the description, if you happen to be watching in a format where you can see that description. And if you can't see that description, then you're allowed to ask me anything you want to ask me if you can find a place for YouTube comments, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. So basically, I'm going to look this over, find out what's dripping down the sides, and if some of it needs to be stuck to the edges. And there are a few places, but mostly I think I only have one side left to cover, and that's this side over here. And when I do that, oh, you know what, that's the wrong color. When I do that, I take a similar color to the color that's there, I put it along the edge of the canvas, and then I just integrate it right down the side. And the next time I see it, it either blends well or it doesn't, and if it's still wet, then I do something about that, like add a little bit of gold, just like that, where that gold is, and fake it out, same as that purple. And whatever I forgot to tell you guys, ooh, that's white. Actually, that's probably not white, that's probably white pearl, which I call white pearl, but is actually underneath is metallic. I'm going to throw a little bit of black up there again, even if it doesn't mix completely. It's still a camouflage. Okay, well that was a lot of fun, and I want to thank you guys for joining me. And I want to let you know that if you will be willing to watch, if you want to help me out and you would be willing to watch more of the video, you will help me out massively. Same thing for a thumbs up. I would really appreciate a thumbs up. If you shop my Amazon link, it's at no added cost to you, and it helps me out a little bit over time, eventually, someday. And I want to thank those of you who bought the book. I'm really happy that you're enjoying it as much as you are. And I'm going to check my crib sheet, my list, and tell you again I have Pinterest and Instagram at the bottom of the description under the video. The merchandise just below the video has got my studio logos on it and my artwork. I told you guys that you can buy my artwork if you request information. There's always a link, there's always a file number at the end of the video. That reminds me, when you're looking for a part 2 or a part 3 or a part 4, you will often find that I have put the link right below the video to the next video. So look for that. The end screens have over 500 videos, almost 600 videos, and if you guys like what I do, that's a good place to go and look and see if you can find some more. This is intense and whacked right out, and I love it. It's pretty much what I was hoping for. And other than touching it up a little bit, I think I'm as done as I need to be. I could probably do a lot more orange and stuff, but I've got some great colors left, and I'm just going to do another painting, which is my answer to anybody who says I should have, could have, would have done something different. Just do another painting. So I love you guys. Thanks for all the great comments. And take care now, and I will see you again. And hopefully that's all in focus. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard saying, see you soon! I hope you come back soon. And I love you guys. I said that already. I do that a lot. Alright, bye for now. Priscilla out.